Now come to exercise 12.3. Question number 1. If m equal to 2, find the value of, say the solution. Say first part, m minus 2. Here put m is equal to 2. What we get? Replace m by 2. We will get 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This is your answer. Now say second part, 3m minus 5. Here put m equal to 2. What will get? 3. Replace m by 2 minus 5. Solve this. 3 into 2. It is 6 minus 5 equal to 6 minus 5. It is 1. This is your answer. Now come to third part. 9 minus 5m. Here put m equal to 2. You will get 9 minus 5. Replace m by 2. You will get 9 minus 5 to the 10. That is 9 minus 10. It is minus 1. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Here put m equal to 2. You will get 3 2 raised power 2 minus 2. Again replace m by 2 minus 7. Solve this. You will get 3 into 2 raised power 2. It is 4. 2 to the 4 minus, here open the bracket, 2 into 2. It is 4 minus 7. Solve this. 3 into 4. It is 12 minus 4 minus 7. Solve this. You will get 12 minus 4 minus 7. It is minus 11. And 12 minus 11. It is 1. This is your answer. Now come to fifth part. It is 5m upon 2 minus 4. Here it is minus sign. Now put the value of m as 2. Put m equal to 2. What will you get? Replace m by 2. You will get 5 within the bracket 2 upon 2 minus 4. Solve this. 5 into 2. It is 10 upon 2 minus 4. Here simplify it. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. You will get 5 minus 4. That is 1. This is your answer. Now come to question number 2. If p equal to minus 2. Find the value of. See the solution. First part 4p plus 7. Here put p equal to minus 2. What will you get? Replace p by minus 2. You will get 4 minus 2 plus 7. Solve this. 4 minus 2, it is minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 plus 7, it is minus 1. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is minus 3 p square plus 4p plus 7. Here put p equal to minus 2. What will you get? Replace p by minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Solve this. You will get minus 3 into minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4 plus 4 minus 2, it is minus 8 plus 7. Solve this. Minus 3 into 4, it is minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. We will get minus 12 minus 8, it is minus 20 plus 7. We will get minus 13. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Here put p equal to minus 2. What will you get? Minus 2. Replace p by minus 2. Minus 2 cube minus 3. Here again replace p by minus 2. It is minus 2 whole square plus 4. Again replace p by minus 2 plus 7. Solve it. You will get minus 2 into minus 2 raised to power 3 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. You will get minus 8 minus 3 into minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4. Here open the bracket, 4 minus 2, it is minus 8 plus 7. Solve this. Minus 2 minus 8, it is 16 minus 3 into 4, it is 12 minus 8 plus 7. Here collect the like terms, that is 16 plus 7 minus 12 minus 8. You will get 16 plus 7, it is 23 minus 12 minus 8, it is 20. 23 minus 20, it is 3. This is your answer. Now come to question number 3. Find the value of following expressions when x is equal to minus 1. See the solution. First part, 2x minus 7. Here put x is equal to minus 1. You will get 2. Replace x by minus 1 minus 7. What will get? 2 minus 2 into minus 1. It is minus 2 minus 7. Solve this. Minus 2 minus 7. It is minus 9. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is minus x plus 2. Put x is equal to minus 1. You will get minus, put the value of x, it is minus 1 plus 2. What will you get? Open the bracket. Minus minus plus. It is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. It is 3. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is x square plus 2x plus 1. Here put x is equal to minus 1. You will get minus 1 whole square plus 2. Put the value of x. It is minus 1 plus 1. Solve this. Minus 1 square. It is 1. Here plus 2 minus 1. It is minus 2 plus 1. Solve this. 1 plus 1. It is 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is 2x square minus x minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 1. You will get 2 minus 1 whole square minus minus 1 minus 2. Open the bracket. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 minus minus plus. It will be plus 1 minus 2. Here 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 2 it is 1. This is your answer.